to make red onion hair oil at home. Onion hair oil can be prepared easily at home and it is quite an inexpensive method. Onion hair oil is a natural formulation made using an onion bulb. Ingredients: you will need a 1.5 kilograms onion juice, 400 milliliters coconut or sesame oil, and 40 grams onion paste. To prepare onion hair oil, take onions and add it in a blender to blend well and extract the juice. Next, take onion in a grinder and make a fine paste, keep it aside. Now, take heavy bottom vessel and pour coconut or sesame oil. Add onion juice as well as onion paste in the oil and mix well. Switch on the stove, place vessel with this mixture and allow it to boil. After sometimes reduce the heat and keep stirring the mixture well. After 20 to 30 minutes, switch off the flame, remove the pan from the stove and allow it to cool well. Once cooled, take a muslin cloth and strain the oil. Onion hair oil is ready to use. Tip: if you want an onion oil to last longer, then store it in an airtight container. What is the shelf life of onion oil? The shelf life of onion oil is 2 to 3 years. However, for the best result and maximum benefits, use this oil within 6 months, as after 6 months the oil loses its potency. How to use onion oil on hair? For positive result, apply the onion oil at night before sleep and allow it penetrate well overnight. In the next morning, wash the hair well using a mild shampoo. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.